Here's Astra Life Advice app. It's quickly risen to the top charts in the in the apps, especially in lifestyle. So this is kind of like astrology app, but it's using all these new AI models. I don't know whether it's ChatGPT or some other models, and it's built in form of the chat. So you don't need to just fill out a lot of information, and you just have that, and you just ask questions, and ChatGPT kind of answers them. But this ChatGPT is tuned to be your astrology advisor. So let's just give it a try. So here is the app. You just create your account. You just enter your birth date. You enter your where you were born, the time when you were born, and then you need to just try it out with a free trial. There is 3-day free trial, and then you will be charged. It's not possible to use this app completely free. So here is the app, and then ask me anything. You can just ask just any questions about personal growth, lifestyle, motivation, astrology, and then you can just select things like that, and then you can see when it's kind of replying to you. So you can think of this app as kind of like astrology tuned ChatGPT model. It's a bit slower. Oh, something's going on here. So there is like daily horoscope, which you can just you can just read here, and that's just will be a daily horoscope based on on the data you entered when you created your account. There is like a romantic compatibility. You can just add some other person, and then in this app, and then check compatibility. There is conflict advice. There is friend compatibility. There is dream interpreter, a tarot card interpreter, personal growth, and then you just ask different questions. You can see your history. You can add some new person. And if you don't like this app, you can just tap to delete information and just to delete your account. So that's in a nutshell, that's the app. Again, you can't use these features for free. You need to upgrade, but then there is like a 3-day free trial.